Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand that's by a brand called Humixx. And pretty much what it is the iPhone 11 case that's in use. So first thing first, let's actually unbox it to show you what it looks like first. So when we open the package, obviously first thing you guys get inside like a little thank you card, and then they provide you the actual case itself. You guys can see very nice kind of design overall, protects the whole phone itself, but then it has that nice kind of like matte glass kind of like look to it. But let's put it on and show you guys what it looks like real quick. Alright, so basically when we have the case all set up, this is what it looks like. An all black kind of design, which looks kind of cool. You guys can see, kind of covers that Apple logo in the back, but you guys can still see the case or the logo on the back. You guys can see right here. This is the bottom part to kind of charge the device and everything, the speaker and all that on here. When I first got this product, I did have a little bit issue of using the button, but if you guys set it up correctly, just take some time to kind of set it up. The button will actually work, and for this button you guys don't actually have to click too hard on it. I might have got a little bit defect product right here, but then it still works. Probably contact Humixx to kind of send me a new one, because they always have your back regardless of what is wrong with the case. And then obviously same like the other Humixx case I tested, very nice kind of protection overall. So like it has the military drop tested proof on here, so if you guys drop it on the corners, it has a shock proof to kind of like prevent it from being damaged more than it's supposed to be throughout the corners right here, here and here. And then when you guys try to remove the case, you kind of have a hard time kind of removing it because it's kind of like stuck in there. So that's not a bad thing, that's actually a good thing, so that way you guys know the case is actually protected and secure depending on how you guys drop it, but most likely it will drop between the corners. Obviously it works with wireless charging. These cases are very thin. All Humixx case works with wireless charging, which is pretty cool. But now that we did the unboxing and testing on the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So this case in particular costs around like $15 to $16, but for that price range would I say that's actually worth it or not? So like how I say in all my videos, getting any kind of case in particular is really worth it. So you guys should definitely invest in a case. But if you guys are like a risk taker and don't want a case or just want to show off your phone without any case, that's up to you guys at the end of the day. But I do recommend anyone out there to get a case to protect your phone. I don't want anyone to pay like $100 or $200 to repair their back or your friend's screen when they drop it or something. So pretty much long story short, to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not, yes, it's worth it to buy this case or any case out there in the market to protect your phone at any cost. But other than that, that's pretty much it for a little unboxing, testing, and feedback about the product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have